Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the next components and the last ones from this spark plug. And the first one will be the gasket. And then we'll make the lock nut and the electrodes connector. So let's start with this one. First let's open a new SolidWorks document, select here part, and now let's make this plane white. Now we'll open a sketch in the front plane where we're gonna make the next sketch. We'll start with center line. Make one horizontally and now select line. And let's make the next sketch. And then here we'll make an arc. Again with line, another arc. And another line. Okay, now with Smart Dimension, let's define this sketch first. So select Smart Dimension. From this line to this center line here will be 7.7. This line here will have 0.5. This one will have 1.65. Here the radius will be 0.5. This one will have the same radius. This line here will have 1. This one will have 1.65. Okay. And now select this one with this one and select here make equal. Alright, and now we'll select offset entities command and we'll select this arc. Here the offset distance will be 0.5. And we'll have to uncheck here select chain. We only need this one. And the direction should be this one. If it's going the other way, select here reverse. And now press OK. And I will select this point with this one and select here coincident. Okay, and now let's see if it's not looking like a closed sketch. So let's see if it's working to use the revolved boss base. So go to features, use revolved boss base command. Okay, and here let's select the contours. Should be this one. Okay, actually it's working. So if you have this checked, uncheck it and you should be able to see the preview. Now let's press OK. And this is looking good. And this is the gasket. Don't forget to save it. And now let's go to the next component. So let's open a new SolidWorks document, press OK. And now for this one we'll have to do the same thing, plane white, another sketch in the front plane. And here we'll start again with a center line. And then with line we'll make the next sketch. Okay, it's not the best one, but it's okay. We'll have to make this one horizontal. Okay, select all of these. Actually, this one is not good like that. So select center, select 3-point arc, and we'll make an arc like this. Select this point, select here make tangent. Here should also be tangent, here should also be tangent, and this one should also be tangent. Okay, now it's looking better. Now it's smart dimension, let's define this sketch. So first from this line to this center line, here will be 6.55. Alright, and now this line here will have 0.5. This line here will have 2.55. Okay, this line here will have 0.38. Alright, and now let's give some radius. Here, actually first let's give a dimension for this line. This line will have 0.21. And now let's give a radius for this one, and will be 0.35. This one will have the radius 1.5. The angle between these two will be 135. And now this should be fully defined. I'll go to features, use revolve boss base command. This center line should be selected here and press OK. Now this is almost finished. Let's apply a chamfer. So we'll go to chamfer. The dimension here will be 0.35. And we'll select this face with this edge. Press OK. And now this is the lock nut. We'll have to save it. And now let's make the last component. Let's open a new part. This one is the easiest one. We'll open a sketch in the front plane, and here we'll make one circle. This one will have the diameter 4.5. And we'll go to features, use extruded boss base command, and here the thickness will be 1.7. Press OK. Nice. And now we have all the components. But at the first one, at the spark plug shell, we made a mistake. So we'll have to fix it now before starting the assembly. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the spark plug shell, and I don't know if I fixed it here or not. We'll have to go to this cut revolved, click on this arrow, click on this sketch and select here edit sketch. And yeah, in your case here should be 14 and you should change it with 12, and here I think you'll have another dimension, make it 6. So here 12 and here 6. Instead of 14, you make here 12, and here instead of 4 or something, make it 6. And then exit this sketch, save the part. And this was the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one where we're gonna make the assembly.